They say art is priceless, but how do you measure the art you create? As creators, we often fall in love with the outcome, the final detail, the aesthetics, and the reaction it gets. We come across masterpieces and wonder what made them special. We search for the secrets, the technique, the formula. By standing in front of a finished piece, it's easy to forget that it was nothing at first. Then you start creating for yourself. You feel the resistance, the mistake, the frustration of trying to turn an idea into something real. At a certain point, you come to the realization that creation was never about making something perfect. Maybe that's why the things we are most proud of aren't valuable because they succeeded. They are valuable because we know what it took to create them.